guys, so today I'll be showing you guys all of my birds in feathers families. So I'm gonna show them, and because I love birds, so I love this game too. Standards birds are actually free. And now to the unlockables. I don't really get most of the birds or unlock every bird, but I mostly have enough feathers to buy some common birds. The most expensive birds that I have is actually the Argenteuthis, which is some of the Asian bird that is not exist in this world anymore. It's died already. It's next to the skeleton, and it has modern and classic, and it's also my favorite bird. But of course, the Argenteuthis is actually not my favorite bird. It's the sparrow, because it's too cute in real life. And anyways, bye guys.